How can I check it? From where are you in India again? The singing voice came from behind you. It's our neighbor. Like, you know, when you were in the whenever you came to the Philippines, it's really, you'll be amazed of how the, you know, neighbors can sing. Then what is your religion? Okay? It's Roman Catholic. I'm a Roman Catholic. Like everyone know how to sing. Everyone knows how to sing. Mali ba ang English ko? Diyos ko. Nauubusan na ako ng English ha. So we're going to put the gulay. Favorite song? I don't have a specific song that I like. So we're going to put the veggies. Let it boil again. I don't sing, so I don't know how to sing. I'm not good in singing. I prepare to, you know, reserve my voice for my students. Then I'm not good in singing. It's my favorite song. I don't have a favorite song. I can listen to any kind or type of song. But I'm not good. You're a teacher. Yeah. I'm a teacher. I'm a 51 years old teacher. Wait a little bit. Oh. What? You? What happened? Like, means your age is double. Yes, like you can browse my my Thailand Vietnam trip, and then you can see my hitsura there. I'm the one who is like old. Yeah, my age is double. Yes, means your age is double. Yeah. Huh? Ano yung cellphone? Almost cooked. This one I guess is not cooked. Okay. Why is it cooked yet? Hey. Jeff, tikman mo nga kung bato na. Hello, auntie. Yes. Very auntie.